Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm going to show you how to measure flour for your baked goods. Now what we don't want to do is the first one that I'm going to do here is I've got my regular flour here and I've got a 1 cup measuring cup and I'm just going to scoop 1 cup into it and I'm going to put it onto this scale here that I've got zeroed out and we're going to measure it and see what we get from scooping it versus putting it in with just a little bit of air in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in now. And it's showing 159 grams on my scale here. All right, so now I got my bowl clean. I've got my scale zero back down to zero again. And what I'm going to do now is just going to take a spoon and I'm just going to kind of shift it up just a little bit and just kind of put just a little bit of air into it. What we don't want to do is we do not want a dense bread or cake, whatever you're going to be using with your flour. So that's why you sift your flour a lot of times. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take my measuring cup and instead of scooping it, I'm going to actually just pick it up with my spoon and put it into my cup. And I'm still going to take my knife and I'm going to kind of just give it a little bit of a roll off here and then square it off on the top. And then we're going to put it on our scales and we're going to measure it. And now I've got 130 grams. So by adding a little bit of air to it, you're going to get a different measurement to it. And this is what you want for your baked goods. You want a little bit of air into your flour. You don't want it dense and compact. And you definitely do not want to scoop flour. So I hope you've enjoyed this content and maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of these other 2 videos over here. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't scoop your flour. We want to spoon it out, put a little bit of air in it, and if you even want to sift it, that's even better. Bye-bye now. I'll see you in my next video.